Union Home Minister Amit Shah will be on a two-day visit to Jammu and Kashmir beginning from today. During his visit, he will review the security situation and interact with the security personnel. Amit Shah is also scheduled to visit the Poonch district, which saw the highest civilian toll, 14 out of the 26 deaths that took place during Pakistani shelling and drone attacks between the 7th and the 10th of May. He will also be inspecting the damaged Singh Sahab Gurudwara and chair a meeting with the officials to assess the situation in the worst hit regions. Now, this marks his first visit to the Union Territory following Operation Sindhu. Previously, Home Minister had conducted a three-day tour starting 6th of April and returned to Kashmir on the 23rd of April, a day after the Pahalgam terror attack took place.
उन्होंने उरी पर हमला किया, हमने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक की। उन्होंने पुलवामा में हमला किया, हमने एयर स्ट्राइक की और उनने पहलगांव में हमला किया। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर कर कर उनके मुख्य ठिकानों को जमीन में मिलाने का काम। सैकड़ों आतंकवादी हमारे हवाई हमले में तहस नहस हो गए। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने हमेशा के लिए पूरी दुनिया, न केवल पाकिस्तान, पूरी दुनिया में एक संदेश भेजा है कि भारत की सेना, भारत की जनता और भारत की सीमा इसके साथ छेड़खानी नहीं करते, वरना नतीजे भुगतने पड़ते हैं, नतीजे भुगतने पड़ते। और मोदी जी ने स्पष्ट कर दिया कि हमारे निर्दोष नागरिकों पर अगर कोई हमला करता है तो गोली का जवाब गोले से दिया जाएगा, उसको माकूल जवाब दिया जाएगा।
हमारे ध्यान में आया है कि विषय माननीय होम मिनिस्टर साहब 29 तारीख को यहाँ पहुँचेंगे और 30 तारीख को पुंछ जाएंगे। वहाँ पर उन पीड़ित परिवारों को जहाँ शहादतें हुई हैं और उन पीड़ित परिवारों को जिनके मूवेबल इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टीज़ के नुकसान हुए हैं, उन परिवारों के साथ मिलेंगे। का सरकारी कार्यक्रम है, इसमें सिक्योरिटी सिनेरियो को लेकर भी मेरा मानना है कि उनकी बैठक होगी, मीटिंग होगी और एलजी साहब के साथ भी और यहाँ की जितने भी सिक्योरिटी एजेंसीज़ हैं उनके साथ मीटिंग और उन परिवारों के साथ उनका मिलना जो है, मेरा मानना है कि एक प्राथमिकता होगी।
My colleague Sunil Ji Bhatt is now joining me on the story. Sunil, this will be a very crucial meeting that we will see taking place. The security arrangements will be looked at personally by the Home Minister. This is a very crucial Jammu and Kashmir visit by Home Minister Amit Shah.
Yes, Aishwarya, this is an important visit of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. His first visit to Jammu and Kashmir after Operation Sindoor. He will be landing in Jammu later in the evening, and he will be chairing an important security-related meeting at Raj Bhavan in Jammu. Top officials from the intelligence agencies, Jammu and Kashmir Police, Central Paramilitary Forces are going to attend this meeting. And what we are learning from our sources is that security review will also be done for the forthcoming Sri Amarnath Ji Yatra. And Union Home Minister Amit Shah is also going to review the ongoing anti-terror operations in Jammu and Kashmir. Tomorrow, that's Friday, Union Home Minister Amit Shah will be going to Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir. Remember, Poonch is the worst affected district of Jammu and Kashmir due to Pakistani shelling. He will be meeting the family members of the victims of Pakistani shelling. He will be also visiting the areas that have been affected due to Pakistani shelling. Later in the day, he is also scheduled to address the BSF personnel who are deployed in Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir. So clearly, Union Home Minister Amit Shah is going to reach out to the people who have been affected due to Pakistani shelling. And there are speculations that he may announce some package also for the victims, although there is no official confirmation for that. But what we are learning from our sources is that he is going to meet the family members of the victims of Pakistani shelling. He is also going to, address the BSF personnel and boost their morale. So this will be the first visit of Union Home Minister Amit Shah to Jammu and Kashmir after Operation Sindoor. Aishwarya, back to you.
Thank you, Sunil Ji, giving us the details and also speaking about the fact that there will be security reviews that will be done across Jammu and Kashmir. Home Minister